Position. We're going to be passing our feet. This is an open waltz amalgamation. So we have an open twinkle. From the open twinkle, you're going to do an open right. 1, 2, 3. From here, she's going to do 3 steps forward. You're going to step 1, 2, hold on the third. 1, 2, 3. From here, we're going to do a shadow position. We're going to do an open left turn. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, into the speaker. Yeah. From here, she does a 1, 2, 3. You're going to hold. 1, 2, 3. Now her right foot is free. We're back on opposite feet. I check forward. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then from that next step, you do another twinkle back to a closed position.